How to fix Instagram camera black screen in less than 50 seconds. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you want to do is just wait a few seconds and then you have to scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now all what you want to do is go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and go back again, open the power usage details, and then click down here on this force stop. After that, you have now to turn off your phone and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this new short tutorial until the end. See you later.